did not know what I did not know. How to hold a dream when the world says no. AI takes the jobs, banks close their gates, and hope feels heavy with the weight of fate. But then I found the spark inside, a voice that whispered, you can rise. I don't need to beg, I don't need to borrow. I can build my life today, not tomorrow. Tiny Giant Life showed me how. Step by step I learned somehow. The land, the pipes, the walls that stand. I build my future with my hands. I build my home, stone by stone, debt-free, standing strong, my own. From ancient ways, made new again. A house of hope, where dreams begin. I laid foundations, raised the frame, cast earth and cob, fire in my veins. I wired the light I call the sun. Now power flows and freedom's begun. The world grows colder, wars draw near, chains tighten more with every year. But these same skills that set me free can build for others prosperity. I build my home, stone by stone, debt-free, standing strong, my own. From ancient ways, made new again. A house of hope, where dreams begin. You can build a home, claim your place, stand with courage, rise with grace. Tiny Giant Life will show the way to freedom's door. Begin today. Don't wait, times are shifting fast, supply chains tighten, the old world won't last. Click the link in the description or profile, join the workshop, buy the course, or call for a free consult. Tiny Giant Life will